how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this SGLED by Sansi. These SGLEDs, they have great products. They make lights and stuff like that. So I have used some of their stuff before, but this is a colorful light, and this is the outdoor LED floodlight. So I'm going to be testing this one, and then we'll see how bright it is, and how this thing works. It does have a remote control, as you can see. Comes with a nice manual, and this is just a welcome card that we have. So let's see what the light looks like. So right off the bat, I can see that the quality, of course, is amazing, like always. All their products, one thing I like about it is they're QC pass, so it's a nice quality inspection product. They do have the warranty and stuff like that, but the quality of the light is just amazing. Very nice sturdy case, and it's very nice built. It's plastic and this thing is metal, so the whole casing is plastic, but it's made for outside use, so it has a lot of ventilation because these are high powered lights. So this stuff is all plastic, but it's very good quality. So comes with a nice bracket, so you can adjust the height, how you want it. You can lay it flat, or you can aim it wherever you want. And these are the LED lights, different colors. This has a just regular plug, and inside we have this anchor, so if you want to bolt it to your wall and stuff like that, you can. Totally up to you. This is you can anchor it, but I don't think I'm going to anchor this one, so I'm not going to use this. But it does have a nice remote control, and it does not have a battery, but this takes AAA, so we'll put a AAA battery and of course control it. Again, the remote is very nice too. It's plastic, and oh wow, that's gives you a lot of different options for colors, so which is amazing. So let's go ahead and plug it in and try it out, and that's all it comes in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in and see what the light looks like. Okay, so we plug in the light, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So with the remote, you can turn it on, and you can see it's very bright. There are different colors, and if you just want a white light, this just gives you white. This is red. We have green, blue, and then there are other colors like orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, cayenne. So it's gives out pretty nice, decent light, and it's not that hot to the touch, so which is good. So we can set the dimness and brightness with these two, and you can have different flashing modes. It's like a blue flashing, different colors flashing. Just to stop it, you can just press any color that you want. You can have a strobe light effect. You can have a flash, different colors. This is a nice holiday light. Or you can have the fade. Fade is like a nice soft fade. Or you can have a smooth transition. So I think overall it's a very nice light. I love it. So again, to turn it on and off, you just use the top 2 buttons on the remote control, and you can control the rest. And even with the fades, I think you can control how bright you want it and how light you want it, you know. And so yeah, I think overall it's just a great light, and for the prices, I think it's just amazing, you know. So you can pick these up from Amazon, you know, or their website, you know. I think it's a great product. So hopefully you guys like the review, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.